Today we are going to solve 12th standard physics current electricity problem, which was asked during the year 2013, CBSE 2013. I will read out the question. In the circuit diagram shown in the figure, the galvanometer G gives zero deflection. If the batteries A and B have negligible internal resistance, find the value of the resistor R. So this is the question. So the given data is the current through the galvanometer is 0 milliamps or microamps, 0 microamps. And the internal resistance of the battery is negligible. That means we can assume as 0. If that is the case, then we have to find the value of the unknown resistance R. So this is the question. Okay, how to solve this problem? So given data, the current through the galvanometer, so maybe this side or this side. So this side, the galvanometer current is equal to 0 microamps. No current. If I say there is no current, that means this potential and this potential has to be same. Then only current will not flow. We know that with respect to this reference point, this is 2 volts. Say this is 0 volts. So if you connect a voltmeter across this voltage source, it will show you 2 volts. Okay. Now if you connect a voltmeter across this 12 volts, it will, with reference to this point, this will show you 12 volts. If you connect a voltmeter here, it will show you 12 volts. But the data given is the galvanometer current is 0 microamps. That means with reference to this point, this has to be 2 volts. Then only there won't be any current through the galvanometer, because this is 2 volts. This is also 2 volts, same potential with this reference. So there is no current through the galvanometer. So the given condition is satisfied. Okay. And another data is also given. The internal resistance of this battery and this battery is negligible. So we need not consider the internal resistance of the battery. Okay. Since the current flowing through the galvanometer is 0 microamps, we can think as if it is an open circuit. Galvanometer is there, but no current. No current means we can think as if the circuit is open in that branch. Okay, now we have only this branch. Now if you carefully see, this is 12 volts, this is 2 volts with respect to this reference 0. So 12 minus 2 will give you the voltage drop across this resistance. 12 minus 2 is what? 10 volts. I know the value of 10 volt, voltage across this 500 ohms. I know the voltage. I know the resistance value. Therefore, I can always find the value of current. So this current I is equal to V by R, which is 10 divided by 500 ampere. Okay. Now the same current I will flow through R also. So the current flowing here is same current I. The voltage drop across R is 2 volts. How do I know 2 volts? Because this point and this point, if you connect a voltmeter, it is going to read 2 volts. Because we know this potential, this point, this is reference. So the voltage across the resistance is 2 volts. Therefore, we have to find the value of R. R is equal to what? V by I. Now what is the voltage drop across the resistor? It is 2 divided by current flowing the resistor is nothing but the same current, because these are all in series. Therefore current is same. So I is 10 by 500, which is equal to 2 into 500 divided by 10. 50 into 2, 100 ohms. So the value of R is 100 ohms. So the answer is R is equal to 100 ohms. this is the way you have to solve this problem. Hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching. Nandri.